Hi, I'm Sejal, founder and creative director of Milestone Dubai. While designing the bedroom, one needs to see how much space do we have in that area to design a bedroom. Would you want a TV in the bedroom? Would you want an office or a workspace in the bedroom? Would you go out if you had space like a small terrace to go out and have your tea or coffee into that terrace? How are you going to make the space comfortable for you? Bed is taken for granted in a bedroom, but do you want to have your telephone nearby, or a space to keep and charge your mobile phone? Or you want to read in the night, so you want to have a large enough side table that allows you to also keep your books or magazines while you read at night. So it completely depends on the space that you want to create for yourself, but it begins with defining what is it that I really want in my bedroom and how is it going to make me feel convenient.